Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on off WhatsApp runs at login on Windows 11. Let's go to for the practice tab. Then first of all I have to go to the settings option. Here the settings, go to the apps, here install app. Then we have to search or write what we want, words app. See, it's here. Go to this and advanced options. Here lots of features are installed here or added here. Then we have to go to the below and runs at login. That means this startup tasks can be configured to run when you log in. By default it has off, and if you wanna on, then press 1. Then when we start or when we run in our Windows 11, then it will automatically show in the verse sections. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.